Now here we need to find the value of x, and like I mentioned in my previous videos, you need to find the angle around this one. That means now you can't find directly this one, so find the other angle which you can. So yeah, let's redo that way. Right, okay, now here if this is 150, this will be 30, right? Because why? Angle on straight line, that means this plus this should be 180. No, this is the straight line, so this is a straight line, so this plus this should be 180. If this is 150, this should be 30, right? And then you know this theorem, what the from A and C go to center, from A and C go to circumference, right? From A and C go to center, from A and C go to circumference. So you know these two connection, what the right? When you have when you have this way situation where the from same 2 point of the circumference go to center and also go to circumference, then you have what the this center angle is twice of this. So if this is 30, this should be 60. And also here actually this is not like 60, it's more than 60 look like, but that's why they tell diagram is not to scale. Okay, now anyway here 60 degree, right? Okay, now what we do? Okay, now they tell no this AB and BC equal, that means isosceles triangle. So what I can do, right? We know this when you have like this way situation where the inner triangle two sides equal, this equal side opposite angle, that means this side opposite angle is this one. I'm talking about this ABC triangle, big triangle. This one opposite side is opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one. I will draw that, right? This both must be equal, right? If I name this has A, this big one has A, this also A, right? This also A. So now you can write A, you can find what the value of A. How? We can write A plus 30 should be equal to 180, right? Try to understand this ABC triangle. This is 30 and these two sides equal, that means isosceles triangle. So opposite angle of these two sides, that means BAC, this angle, and ACB angle, that means this big angle, this one. This both must be equal, right? So here will be A plus A 2A, and I will bring this 30 to this side, so 180 minus 30. So here will be 2A equal 180 minus 30 means 150. Both sides divide by 2, so A will be equal to 75. Okay, that means this big angle, this angle equal to what, the 75 degrees. Then again think like this, and now we got here 60. No, this angle now I am talking about AOC triangle. AOC triangle, here 60. No, right? That means this angle, this one, right? If I put use another color, this angle, right? This angle and this angle must be equal. Why that? Look here. In here, what the OA and OC equal, because why? These are OA and OC radius of same circle, so that's why these two sides equal, OA and OC equal, right? This and this equal. Same rule again we can apply. This side opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one, that means these two equal. If I name this has B, this has B, right? These two equal. Same way we can find B, but the 60 plus B plus B equal 180, right? So here will be 60 plus 2B equal 180. Then 2B equal 180 minus 60. So what the answer here? 2B equal 120, right? Then both sides divide by 2. So B equal 60 degrees. Okay, that means now this angle will be 60. This orange color one, this one will be 60, and this big one will be 75. Right? This one will be 75. From here to here, this angle will be 75. From here to here will be 60. Then you can tell this angle is how much, right? How? 75 degree minus 60. Then x will be equal to 15, right? Like this way. But the x equal from this angle subtract this angle value, right? From 75 minus 60, right? 75 minus 60, right? Try to understand. I got earlier this angle, right, has 75, and now I got this one, right? This has 60, right? So from this big angle subtract this one, then you get x. So here answer x will be equal to 15 degree.